Well done for finishing the Detox Your Home program. I'm so happy that you decided to take this journey and see it through to the end. Great job. You should be incredibly proud of yourself for making this commitment to creating a healthier living space for you and your loved ones. By completing this course, you've gained valuable knowledge about the potential toxins in your home, but also how to minimize your exposure. Remember, it's not about being perfect, but about making conscious choices that work for you and your family. Whether you've made big changes or small ones, every single step counts, and I'm so proud of you for taking action. As you move forward, keep the Detox Your Home principles in mind, but also don't forget to just go with the flow. Life can be unpredictable, and there will be times when it just doesn't go your way. That's okay. Be kind to yourself and focus on progress, not perfection. I hope this course has empowered you and given you the tools that you need to continue making positive changes in your home. And I want you to know that I'm here to support you, even after the course has ended. Let's keep in touch. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions at all along the way. If you just need some encouragement, or if you want to share your successes, I would absolutely love to hear from you and celebrate your progress along the way. Thank you again for joining the Detox Your Home program. I'm honored to have been a part of your journey towards a healthier home, and I'm excited to see where this path takes you. Until next time, take care and keep up the fantastic work.